I hate tire pressure monitoring systems in general. I've had nothing but problems with them. Every vehicle I've owned that has them, you're always either replacing these expensive sensors or like the lights are just coming on for no reason on the dash. So when I got the Method race wheels and the Duratrax, I didn't put any sensors in these things at all. And instead, I just chose to actually disable the whole system. And now I never have to worry about lights in the dash. So the way to get access to the module is actually in this panel underneath the glove box. You can see. There's just one screw here. I already took it out. And then you got these yellow clips that hold it in place. Pop those out, it comes out easy. Now, this is your module right here. This is the wiring harness that's going to it. So all you need to do is there's two wires that you need to jump together, and that'll disable the entire system. So I used one of these little, I can't remember the name of those connectors, but they make it real quick and easy to jump two wires together. You can also just loop an extra piece of wire in there and cut and solder or tape, whatever you want to do. But I find that's the cleanest and quickest way of doing this. What is that? Is that a leaf? How do you get a leaf in here? So the two wires that you need to jump together is this one, the pink and black, and the other one is the white and black. So pink and black, white and black, jump them together. That'll disable the entire system. No more lights on, you don't need to worry about sensors, and you can just go back to checking your tire pressures like normal. So there you go, guys. That's about a 5-minute fix if you've got a light on in your dash. That's all there is to it. So that's how you bypass or delete the TPMS system in a 4th gen 4Runner. Again, I've got no sensors in mine whatsoever, and I've got no lights on in the dash or anything. I'm just going to keep on sticking with this. That's my tire pressure sensor right there. It's worked fine for the last 100 years of vehicles. There's no reason to hire a computer to do the job for us. So if you got a light on in your dash, or you're just sick of dealing with sensors, go ahead and bypass it just like I did. I've had this done for, well, since shortly after I bought it, so probably about 3 or 4 years, and never had an issue. I'll catch you on the next one, guys.